One thing I've noticed about cars, they teach you that making mistakes is not a bad thing, which is quite the opposite of what the world teaches us. If you make a mistake, that means you're dumb, that means you don't know what you're doing or anything like that. But the reality of things is that you learn every day. So now I have to install the lights and then I'll install the slides back.
Rising on the living sky, never drown the ocean.
New radiator. This is what we got that we purchased online. This is what we got from our online purchase. This is the brand new fresh radiator. This is what it looks like. So this is what I'm gonna be installing. I'm just going to quickly install a brand new radiator. Just going to take the brand new radiator and just put it in there and then put back everything, and that's gonna be it.
Rising on the living sky.
So now I'm gonna get in the fan. I'm gonna install the fan. So I'm trying to show you the view from this side, because I don't think from the other side you can see everything that's happening. You can only see from the bumper side. So now we're gonna get in the fans. We've got 2 fans, as you can see, for the radiator. I'm thinking before I can plug back everything, I should just use some masking tape to just mask that 1, 2, 3 wires, because I can see there's a broken wire there, and also there's also a broken wire there. So masking tape. So this now looks proper. So now I'm about to install the fans. Fans. This is how now the fans, this is how everything looks like back together. The fans are in, the radiator is in. As you can see, there's the new radiator in there. This is the aircon condenser. This is the old aircon condenser, so there's nothing wrong with it, so I'm not changing it. So now I'm just going to wrap up everything, put back the stiffener bar or the crash bar, and then after putting back the crash bar, I'm gonna put the lights. After putting back the lights, I'm gonna put on the bumper, and then it will be done. I'm gonna install the induction pipe. It sits like this. Yeah, it sits like this. No, that's how it sits, like this.
Rising on the living sky.
Ah! So I'm gonna quickly remove them and then install the lights first and then reinstall them. One thing I've noticed about cars, they teach you that making mistakes is not a bad thing, which is quite the opposite of what the world teaches us. If you make a mistake, that means you're dumb, that means you don't know what you're doing or anything like that. But the reality of things is that you learn every day. So now I have to install the lights and then I'll install the slides back. So there goes my lights in. But we actually learn from our mistakes, and mistakes cost you nothing but lessons. Because imagine if you don't make a mistake, that means you'll never know. By not making mistakes, that means you're not learning anything. So you gotta make the mistakes so that you learn. So cars teaches you that you make a mistake, you learn from your mistake, so you get to know what to do next time you do the same thing on another car. Now I have to install the slide. This slide. Installing the bumper slide, and voila, there you have it. Light on, bumper slide on, stiffener or crash bar is on, everything is just back on. I'm so excited because now the only thing that's left is to top it up with antifreeze or coolant, if that's what you want me to call it. Coolant, and then I'll be done done and dusted, and put back the bumper. This is the bumper. This is the bumper. And these are my bumper bolts, which I'm gonna be obviously using on the bumper. So I'm gonna put back the bumper. It's just gonna slide in. Just like that. All the bumper bolts are here. I haven't bolted on anything yet, but the bumper is installed and it's properly flushed out. Now I have to install the bolts, the bumper bolts, so it can keep the bumper together to the car. Now the radiator is fully installed, complete, everything is intact. As you can see, looks brand new. Even topped it up with new antifreeze, which is G12, and then